Finding off-campus housing in San Luis Obispo can be difficult. Here are some tips and tricks to making this part of the transition to Cal Poly easier. First, accept your offer of admission and then start looking right away. Returning students will often secure housing 6 months prior to moving in, but there are still plenty of options to find housing and roommates. Once you find a space, you want to contact the property management firm or individual to check out the area. If you live outside of San Luis Obispo, ask if there is a virtual tour option. If you agree on the space and are approved, then you are all set until your move-in date. There are some general things you may want to consider when looking for housing near Cal Poly, such as its distance from campus and transportation options to and from. Can I walk to school or ride a bike, scooter, or skateboard? Am I near a bus stop, or would I need to drive? Is a parking pass required? Many students live close enough to campus to walk or bike, but others use the bus that has various stops on campus. Students who drive may purchase parking passes or use metered spots. Consider the price. The range of studio and one-bedroom apartments in the San Luis Obispo area is roughly between $800 and $2,000. The less expensive options will most likely have multiple tenants with shared bedrooms and bathrooms to cut costs. Year-long leases are most commonly found when searching for housing. Quarter leases are usually found through subleasing, and month-to-month leases can sometimes be an option. It is important to consider if you will be in San Luis Obispo during the summer when signing year-long leases. There are several housing resources available to Cal Poly students. The Facebook page is for current and incoming Cal Poly students posting available housing and roommate openings. You will need a Cal Poly email to join, and you can directly message a post that you're interested in. The Off-Campus Housing Program's website can provide you with a list of property managers and apartment complexes in the local area, as well as additional tips and resources to help in your search. The Transfer Center Discord is a platform where you can meet current and incoming transfer students who are seeking roommates or housing. Scan the QR code to connect directly. Thank you for watching. Please contact Off-Campus Housing if you have any questions.